We install the TC2200 meter. First, we have a standard instrument, pH probe, a residual chlorine probe, plus a flow tank. Then there are two connectors for water pipes. Then how do we install it here? First of all, the first step, the residual chlorine probe needs to be filled with fluid. Inside the box for residual chlorine, there is an electrolyte. This filling liquid we need to unscrew. The bottom of the probe pour the appropriate filling liquid into it. If there is no filling liquid, it needs to be filled. If there is, no need to add.
Pour the filling liquid and screw it on.
This needs to be checked.
Without the filling liquid, the residual chlorine cannot be measured.
After screwing it, then you can connect the residual directly into the larger hole on the right, and then screw it in again. In this way, our residual chlorine electrode is screwed. The second one is a pH probe. When it's made of glass, be careful when screwing it in. It's made of glass. Then turn it in slowly.
In this way, our pH probe is also installed.
Next is the connection between the probe and the meter. We have two sets of wires here. The black one below, and the transparent one is the pH line.
The 4 wires above are the wires of the residual chlorine electrode.
There are labels on them. We just need to connect according to the line marks, and that's it.
TA correspond to 1, 2, 3, 4.
TT positive, T negative.
Our TT normally has no positive and negative.
It's two wires for temperature.
Then, for the pH, we need to note that the ref line of pH is connected to pH -5
on the 5th serial number.
Then the transparent wire needs to be connected to use this knob to tighten it and turn it clockwise.
The knob can be rotated.
Tighten it with the knob.
Just clip it like this.
Then our 18, 20
are our power cords, which is usually 220 volts.
After connecting, the installation is complete.
Next, we need to connect the water pipe. Our water pipe enters from the right. Then the water pipe goes here. And then water comes out here. It needs to be kept flowing so that it can measure the chlorine.
This is the installation video of the electrode and instrument.